We're reviewing this tactical axe that I got from ToughEdge. They sent me this to review and we're going to check it out. Comes nicely packaged, so this is going to make a great gift. Has your little belt sheath right here, nice and leather. Straps right there. You can see it goes straight through the belt. And here is the axe. Has a really nice heft to it. Feels good in the hand. There's a window breaker on this side. Axe here. You got your cut your string wire, little edge here, little pick right here, and just really nice. You can see how it's in here. So we're gonna go test this out. Do all kinds of stuff with it. Might not break some glass things. The pick part, we're gonna see how good it penetrates. Get in there nice and deep. Again. Works well. Use that to pick these up, move stuff around. Good chopping action. See, it picks everything really well. So this is good for making kindling. See, that works well. So this, it's buried in there, is not a splitting axe. It's for chopping like branches and using it as a tool. You can see how well it chips everything. This side here you can use as like a makeshift hammer campsite. You can see how sharp it is. Everything works well on it. Yeah, just loose branches, just going through, whacking, really nice heft to it. You got your string cutter here, little blade there, little flat surface you can hit into stuff. Nice metal throughout it. Looks really good. And yeah, you get great penetration here. The pickaxe side. Really good chopping here, especially if there's little branches you want to make the makeshift stuff when you're out camping, etc. Nice to keep in your car or truck. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.